Hello, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Robo Thoughts again, Zero to Hero series, and I'm sure you guys are getting hands-on into stuffs, right? Great, fantastic. All right, guys, let's get into more active series now. So today I'm going to teach you about, I'm not teaching actually. I'm going to talk to you about Python variables. Okay, Python variables. Now, what is a variable? Variables are nothing but a container. You can take it as a container for storing specific kind of data into that. Now this data can be anything, right? It can be any kind of value. Okay, now Python has no specific command for declaring a variable. All right, guys, keep this in mind. So variable as a container which can store a certain value. At the same time, Python does not have any specific command to declare a variable. A variable is specifically created the moment you first assign a value to it. Okay, so think of a box, right? That particular box is a container, and you are storing specific maybe cookies inside that particular box, and that is the value. Okay, so let me show you some examples with a code. Right, so let's get ready, guys. Let me log into my Jetson Nano, and I have already logged in. I hope you guys are logged in as well. Boom, there you go. So what do? First, we need to create a file, a Python file as an example to write a code. The Python file should be in what? It should be in Nano IDE. All right, so let's open it up. Nano, what is the file name? One second, what is the file name, guys? Let me name it as variable. Nano variable.py. All right, now we are into Nano. So let me give you some example code how it looks like. So let's say x equal to 5 and let's say x equal to y and y, x equal to 5 and y equal to, let's give a name, right? Y is equal to what do we name? Say Iron Man. Okay, y equal to Iron Man. All right, so x equal to 5, y equal to Iron Man. Now what I'm going to do, let me print. Can you see that colors changing, guys? So that's the speciality of any kind of IDE, right? Any IDE you use, if the color keeps changing, that means you are going in the right direction. So keep that in mind. Print x and then print y. Okay, now let's save this. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let me run this program. Okay, Python 3 variable.py. Boom, can you see? X is equal to 5 and what is y? It's an Iron Man, right? So we are able to declare a specific value into, what did I say? A container, right? And that container is called a variable. All right, guys. Let me try to show you some other examples as well. So variables basically do not need to be declared with any particular type. Okay, any particular type. For example, if you in the previous example you saw x equal to 5 and y equal to Iron Man, so there are two integers as well as a text, right? So the value can be any. So let me show you another example. Let me share my screen. Right, there you go. Clear. I mean, I prefer to clear the window, right? It's absolutely up to you whether you want to clear the screen, the terminal screen, or you may continue. So I prefer to keep it clean for each and every section, right? So now let's say x equal to 4, and I'm going to add a comment so that you understand this. What is the comment? Oh, sorry. Let me open up. Let me open up the file, the nano file, nano variable.py. So I'm just opening that file and I'm going to delete this program. Let me just delete this. Okay, now x equal to 4. Let me add a comment. Why this comment? So that you guys understand, or whoever looks into this video, anybody can understand what that means. So x is of type integer, or you can call it as int. Okay, now y equal to, in quote, double quote, what did we say? Iron Man, right? Okay, Iron Man. Now let me put a comment here. Comment y is now y is a type of my screen, there you go. Y equal to Iron Man, and what is that? So y is a type of string, or you can call it as str in short. All right, now let's say let me just make it as x. Okay, x is equal to 4 and x equal to Iron Man. There is a reason why I'm trying to show. So what did I say? In a container you can put in any kind of value. Okay, that can be a string, it can be a kind of text, or it can be a numerical integer, right? So any types of value. So let's say print x. Okay, now let me save this file. How do I save? Control O. Okay, then enter and Control X. Let's run this program again. Python 3 variable.py. Iron Man. Can you see that? As simple as that. Guys, did you understand? Did you understand the actual concept, how the variables work? So it's just not the integer, but also any kind of string, a combination of letters and word and numerical values. You can add it and put it into that. So everything is considered as variable. Alright guys, I hope this is pretty clear. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you want me to give any more examples, do feel free. Just leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, so maybe the next lesson I'm going to start with